All right, let's look at the quant section for CMAT. CMAT quant section, we have a good news and a bad news. Good news, the level of difficulty is comparatively easy. If I compare with CAT, it's an easy paper. If I compare with CET also, it's an easy paper as compared to other exams. CMAT ka quant section very easy. The problem with the CMAT section, good news, bad news, they will ask you one question on every chapter. For example, if I talk about CET, they mainly concentrate on arithmetic. Okay. Here, every chapter, pura arithmetic, time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC, probability, हर एक question, every, because the total 25 chapters, 25 questions are there, but 25 chapter there in the book there are 20 chapters, so approximately 1.2 question, 1.1 question, one question per chapter. हर chapter का Venn diagram क्या, triangles क्या, angles क्या, I have to do coordinate geometry, I have to do everything. You have to study everything. If you ask me some logs छोड़ के जाओ बेटा, logs भी करके जाओ, but everything का solved example level. Okay, ये बात मेरी note कर लो. In quant section, if you are unable to solve a question, is because you don't know how to solve that question. Yeah, you're not leaving the question because of the difficulty. You're leaving the question because you don't know how to solve. For example, logs. अगर आपने logs का chapter ही छोड़ दिया, you just can't solve the question logs. Everything is doable. So my advice to you is very simple. आप सब कुछ करके जाओ. That's why pro book का जो higher maths का book है वो आपको खत्म करना हो. Anyway, we have to study that for CET also. किधर गया pro book? मेरे पास यहीं पड़ा था. मिलता नहीं है. End में मिलेगा, देखना. Last book देखा. Last book जो मैं निकालूंगा ना, वो भी निकली. वो डैडी ये देखा last book. दीदी दिख रही है बस, और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. This is higher maths. You have to complete this book. Fine. So which anyway we have to cover for CET exam. So the moment CMAT ka date is out now, I'm going to keep 1 week. I'm going to keep 1 week ka lectures purely focus on CMAT, completing the full syllabus for the CMAT exam in 1 week ka time. Okay. Pro level, yes. See, I assume आपने CAT level में तैयारी किया था. If you have done with the CAT का books, if you prepare for CAT, then pro is enough. ठीक है. If you are not done that, then black भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए. Siley will do that. Will do that. ठीक है. Quant का हर चीज आएगा, सब कुछ आएगा. Okay. Any doubt from the quant? Target score for a good student is 90 plus and minimum score required is 70. This is your range. 70 to 90 marks आपको मैथ्स में लाना ही पड़ेगा if you want a good score in CMAT. So if you're a very good in quant, then target should be 90 plus. If you're average in quant, target should be 70 plus. ठीक है.